You won't forget these 3 easy ways to make money on the internet. Not only will I train you, this is how I make money on the internet. And the last one is simply the best among them all. My name is Evis Germany. I teach on skill affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays them on a monthly basis. Okay, now let me show you how these 3 businesses work, how you can use it and make money for yourself. Okay, now the number one, look at on my screen here, as you can see, number one is affiliate marketing. Okay, it's not what you are thinking. Okay, just hold on. If you can see on my screen here, I have made 200. This is one of my affiliate accounts. I have made over 225,000 naira in Nigerian naira. I have made 16,100 naira in Ugandan shillings. I have earned about $191 Kenyan shilling. Okay, this is one of my affiliate marketing accounts. Okay, and there are so many affiliate marketing platforms I partner with, and I've done some videos review on my platform here. Okay, you can go and check them up. Okay, but the idea here is you get to get access to a course. By the time you sign up with the platform, they will give you access to a course that is going to show you how to sell digital products. Okay, the course has been created. You just follow it step by step. Okay, and you can start selling this product and make money for yourself. That is the first one, affiliate marketing. Second one is this, I call it local e-commerce. Local e-commerce. Now let me take you to my store here. This is my store here. Okay, as you can see, I have about 51 customer interaction. This is on Google, and my store name is digital marketing, social media marketing, and affiliate marketing. Look at this. Let's click on this, and then let me show you something. This is now the course, which is I sell it for 140,000 naira for you to learn how to work, put your business online. Okay, to work with clients and all of that. Now look at this woman here. Okay, she says you are a wonderful coach, thank you so much, God bless you. Okay, now this woman, she owns a store, a shoe store, and she wants to put her business online, which she came, and they can see the payment she made. She now made part payment, and I started teaching her on how to put her business online. Okay, now the idea here is simple. This local business owner, they call it the e-commerce. These are people that own a store, they want to put their business online. Okay, what you need to do is for you to learn like Facebook advertisement, Google ad. Now don't worry, if you don't know where to learn it, you can go to mindloster.com, or you go to the affiliate marketing course which you purchased in the first one I gave you. You are going to learn how to do Facebook advertisement. Okay, the idea here is simple, is for you to help them and get more customers. Okay, anyone that have a business that resonates with you, like some people that sells like gym equipment, you know, how to grow your beard, okay, all these fashion things like women smoothing face and all of that, you can take up this business and run advertisement for such. You acquire customers. Okay, when they purchase, when they book it, you can now deliver for them. We'll call it e-commerce. Okay, local e-commerce. Now targeting Nigeria market, either you target Lagos or any state that you are into. This is very, very lucrative, and for each client you can charge above 100,000 naira. I've helped more than 50 clients. Some I charge 120, so 150. Okay, 80, depending on what they want you to do for them. Okay, this is how you can help local shop owners and make money. And to get these skills is quite simple to do. It's quite simple once you learn it, and I'll keep the link in the description. You can as well join my group, my WhatsApp group, so I teach you how it works, so you can start acquiring customer for yourself. And it is not that competitive. Not everyone know how to do this. It is quite simple to do, and you can start making a lot of money for yourself. Now the last one, which is one of the best one that anyone can jump onto, it is beginner friendly, it does not need any skills, it's one of the easiest one. This one is called benefit. Now this is my dashboard. As if you can see here, now I want to show you how much I've been able to earn on this platform. In less than 3 days I joined this platform. Now watch here, you are seeing 78,000 naira. Okay, this is daily money. I make daily 1,500 naira. That what is called sales commission. This is how much I am here to withdraw, which is 18,000. Okay, if you watch through, you can see here now total daily tax I perform, and this is total earning 78,000. This is massive. Now how does this one work? Let me explain to you. This one is called benefits. Okay, your work is to get started is 7,000 naira. You get access to the platform. Yeah, you get 1,500 naira daily pay for performing tasks just by clicking and following people, joining groups. They will specify what you are to do as the task in the group. Okay, then you are going to also make 6,000 naira if you have a group audience, you are going to make money for referring. Yes, for referring people to it. If you do not know how to refer people, okay, that one is a different thing. Together I have a special video I'll show you how to use your TikTok to do so. Okay, so this is the 3 business model anyone can easily do, okay, which is affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and then performing tax online. If you don't know how to refer, stick with performing tax. You earn 1,500 naira every day. Multiply it by 30 days, you know how much that worked for you, and you can withdraw it, okay, in your account. If you have any question, leave it in this video description, okay. I'm gonna break it down, I'm gonna answer such question for you step by step on how it works, okay. I will also leave the link in my description how you can contact me to reach me to ask me any question, and I can always provide answer for you, okay. My aim is to help you to make money online. The more you make more money, the more you are going to elevate and come up to the higher services that are rendered on the internet, okay. Bye for now, catch you up later. Every scare.